last year in a draw against TS Galaxy. And Mahango goes for it. So what can they do from the free kick? Delivered in, Mahango, touch off as Gabriel Mahango lays it off. Perhaps he should have taken it on, gets another chance. Oh, save from Fuma. Well, some calamitous defending.
Seeing what one of the SABC bosses would say, Rao Rao. That's problems for you because they're so alert, they're so switched on. Both of them switched on. Look at this.
It's actually Charlie continued to win. They put together a 4-game winning streak as Morty ghosts in. Morty saved by Akpe.
Pulia Modi. That's when you thought it's a good pass. And he pounces because Keegan got too casual.
Yeah.
Wasn't too much aware of the whereabouts of
The pace. Gonzalez waiting in the middle. Morty's joined the attack. Dule Morty! It looked to be drifting wide. Keenan Phillips wasn't sure. He hasn't earned minutes since May. In the previous campaign, he has Yusuf Mark. The ball was given away cheaply. Oh, Mark with the good pass. And it's been stuck away by Christian Sayile inside the final 10 minutes. Kaizer Chiefs take the lead. Dobsonville Stadium explodes.
Look at the class, but look at the defenders. 3 defenders on 1 man. Drawn onto the near posts. They lost possession. Trying to build from the back, intercepted. And look at the pass, because they were all ball watching. They went onto the one side. Forgot that man, Christian Saide. And he shows his class and he finished, make it looking easy. But great awareness from Chiefs.
Well, Smiles, that was another unbelievable game in a string of really good contests between these two sides. Well, looked like a little bit of a handball from Ray Castillo, looking to cushion it over the heads of Daniel Akpe. Doesn't get enough on it. They're about to hit 7 minutes, and Kaizer Chiefs have one more moment of danger to deal with. Van Ryn's delivery away by Frosler. Now that is the final whistle.